In this video, we're going on another open house property tour. It's Broker Caravan Thursday. Before we get started with the property tour, I wanted to share my collection of custom vans that I had designed by the artist that lived in the home that we are about to tour. So I'm so proud of the artist and I'm so proud of her work. I wanted to share the custom design vans. So today's property tour is located at 1954 Primrose Avenue, South Pasadena, California, 91030. This home is gorgeous. It's 5 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms. It's 3,604 square feet of living space.